I don't know what is up with little boy. Just fed little girl. And I noticed he's hanging out in the tree again. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? What are you doing, honey? Here, come on. Come here. Come on, Chip. Come on, Chip. Well, you're just going to have to go to my chair. You're just going to have to go to my chair, Chip. I can't be coming over there and feeding you in the tree all the time. Come on, Chip. Oh. Come here, Chip. I'm not coming over to the tree, dude. He's determined to get me into the tree. I've had enough of the bush today. Come on. Come on, Boomer!